In this video, I'm excited to share my experience of running a freshwater ornamental fish breeding hall. I hold a master's degree in water science, and my passion has always been to have my own water laboratory to study water quality. I began this journey by breeding ornamental freshwater fish, which allowed me to put my experience into practice. I breed fancy swordtails, guppies, and pelicans. Adequate space, a reliable water supply, and well-regulated heating and lighting systems are essential for maintaining the optimal environment for their growth and health. At first, I experimented with two methods using aquariums and concrete pools with plastic covers. I concluded that aquariums are more suitable due to easier cleaning, better population control, improved water quality, and easier observation. Additionally, the ability to install aquariums on multi-level racks maximizes space efficiency. In this farm, I used 8mm glass, and considering my own capabilities, I utilized aquariums measuring 90 centimeters by 40 centimeters by 40 centimeters. The racks for the aquariums were designed in 3 tiers to maximize the use of space in the hall. This is also an example of the initial pools that didn't have the necessary efficiency. The food used consists of dry food and live food. Live food includes Artemia and Daphnia. Daphnia are cultivated in open space, while Artemia is grown in glass containers in water with a specific salt concentration. Another food that improves the fish's coloration and is also high in protein is spirulina algae. It is cultivated in these plastic containers, each connected to an air inlet and placed under appropriate lighting. When starting the culture, it is essential to ensure the starter is of high quality. Otherwise, the entire culture may be lost after a while. My method for maximizing fish reproduction involves placing the breeding fish in separate tanks with appropriately sized mesh nets. These tanks shouldn't be overcrowded, as it can deteriorate water quality. Live food is recommended for these tanks, and they should be equipped with at least a sponge filter. Furthermore, the water quality in the tanks should be monitored daily to ensure optimal condition. It is better that municipal tap water, due to its mineral content and hardness, be stored in containers for at least a day before being introduced into the aquariums. After producing a sufficient number of fry in these tanks, the net containing the broodstock should be transferred to a new tank. The fry should be moved to aquariums once they reach an appropriate size. The appropriate number of fish in each aquarium is crucial, as an appropriate population promotes better growth. Another important aspect is marketing before production. Overproduction without proper market demand can result in significant losses. The broodstock chosen for the next generation of production should be selected from the best, both in terms of aesthetic appearance and in terms of resilience and health, to ensure the high quality of the next generation of fish. Water quality should always be controlled using suitable tools such as water hardness meter, thermometer and pH meter. In the end, I hope this video gives you a good view of ornamental freshwater fish breeding and was useful for you.